welcome to the channel. In today's video I have a styling video. Today we're going to be talking about quarantine outfits like this one. This is pretty much my daily outfit. And with that being said, let's get started. I think the most important thing, no matter what your outfit is or your mood is, the most important things are that you need to feel comfortable and that you need to feel confident. These two. If you feel happy with your outfit, I can guarantee you that you're gonna be feeling good during the day. And it's not just the outfit. It applies with hair and applies with your face, with the makeup. So in order to feel good, you need to start with yourself, and that requires a little bit of effort, and that starts with you. The first outfit that I have is this one. You have seen it. It is the bodysuit from H&M and Hanes pants from the boys section from Walmart, and I'm going to link them below, and my sneakers. This outfit, oh my gosh, I pretty much sleep on it, okay? Pretty much. It's so comfortable, especially here in San Diego. One day is sunny and the other day is like raining right now. So it's a little bit, you know, like changing. It's like, can I have a weather? Like, it's still gonna be hot or it's gonna be cold? Yes, it is a bodysuit. Yes, it is sweatpants. And yes, I'm wearing sneakers. However, if I do my hair and I do my makeup, I feel really good. I feel really good. And this outfit makes me really happy. Absolutely happy, and I highly recommend these bodysuits from H&M. Meanwhile, they are, you know, still available because they're amazing. The same outfit with the black bodysuit from H&M. I'm just gonna show you here. That looks amazing. Look at this. I paired this with my Adidas NMD sneakers because they're black, and it looks more like put together, right? Like pairing black with gray. And again, if I am feeling chilly willy, I pair it with the cardigan, or if I feel like a little bit more dressy, I pair this outfit with a blazer, any blazer. I have this one. This one is from ZARA, and I love it so much because it is the dad blazer, and it goes a little bit, you know, above the hips. So if I want to go to Walmart, for instance, for groceries, to buy groceries, and it is a little bit chilly willy, I just pull my blazer on top of my quarantine outfit, and I look a little bit more elevated, a little bit more sophisticated. And that is pretty much what I have been wearing. Another outfit that I want to show you is, of course, I need to show you leggings. I am living in my leggings lately, and of course my leggings, these ones, I got these ones from ZARA, and you need in your life a good pair of leggings, guys. You have to, they're essential. These ones are high-waisted, super high-waisted, and these are size medium. They're not available, they're sold out, but ZARA has really good leggings, and they're super comfortable. Any leggings will look good with loose tops. Quarantine outfit, I pair with this bodysuit from H&M, and on top of that I wear a sweatshirt. This sweatshirt, white sweatshirt, I bought it at Walmart, and it is super like loose, and that was the objective. I wanted something that is like super loose, and I found this one, and I am pretty happy with this one. I also bought on the boys section the sweatshirt of these pants, and since they're boy sizes, I bought the size small, and this is how it looks. I pair my leggings with this sweatshirt as well, and that looks really cute, and it's super comfortable. For the days that I'm feeling more like dressy, I wear my vegan leather leggings from H&M. I paired this with my white sweatshirt and my white sneakers, And of course I have paired this one with my gray sweatshirt. If I'm gonna go for a walk, or I'm gonna go to the park just to, sometimes I just need air, I go with my shorts, of course, and of course I'm gonna pair them with my sweatshirt and my sneakers. The shorts with the gray sweatshirt, that looks really cute. Or my shorts with this bodysuit as well, it looks pretty cute. And if you pair with this cardigan, you have your quarantine outfit right there. And I bought these ones from Levi's. These are true to size. These are size 27. They fit really, really good, and they have just the right length. They're not too short, they're not too long, they're just perfect. And I love, the hem here is pretty cute. Look, this blue is pretty versatile. I really like it because you can just pair it with like almost everything. When I'm not feeling dressy, I am wearing these high-waisted jeans from ZARA, and these are amazing. They're so comfortable, guys, and the length is just right. They're super high-waisted. They're so comfortable. I told you in one of my videos that my husband hates these ones. Yeah, he hates mom jeans, but I love them so much. These ones are super comfortable. These ones are from ZARA, and you pretty much can wear these ones with like almost everything. I wear them with my bodysuit, with this bodysuit, and of course sneakers. Or if I am feeling a little bit more dressy, I pair them with my espadrilles. Or this one with this top is so cute, looks really, really cute. And of course the ZARA top, this too looks really, really cute. When I need to go to the grocery store, for instance, and I'm wearing this kind of outfit, most likely I'm just gonna pair it with my black cardigan. This one is from H&M. Or a blazer with my sneakers, and voila, I look really, really presentable to go to Walmart. Or my vegan leather jacket. Never fails. Never fails. You need one of these in your life. Yes. If you're not feeling that, that you don't want to wear a leggings or sweatpants, you're feeling more like dressy because you're like a dress girl, I got you. I have this dress. Oh, it's not here. I don't get you. Okay, let me get it. This dress is from BOOHOO, and it's so comfortable, guys. And look at this. Look at the hem. It's so cute, super lightweight, and I pair it with a belt. This Gucci belt, vegan leather jacket, and boots, black boots. If I feel dressy, this is pretty much what I'm wearing. I only wear it like once, but I'm planning to wear it more. Yes, it still has the tag. Yes, because I'm a weirdo. This is a pretty good outfit. Yes. And of course that I need to mention this dress because it's one of my favorite ones. This is one of my best purchases ever, is the ZARA dress. And this is made of sweatshirt fabric, and I love the puffy sleeve. And let me tell you something, it's super versatile because if I feel a little bit chilly willy, what I do is that I wear it as a sweatshirt or as a top like this with my vegan leather leggings. These two, yeah, I know. And this one was a steal. This dress is from ZARA, and it cost me less than $20. I'm just gonna link it below if it's still available. But yeah, you can wear it as a dress or you can wear it as a top. Super versatile, so you have more for your money. So I wear it with the vegan leather leggings like that, or my high-waisted jeans. These two together, oh my gosh, yes. And I wear it with my sneakers or the boots. Alright guys, so that's all what I have. Hopefully you like my quarantine outfits. These are pretty much the outfits that I have been wearing like on a daily basis. Like seriously, this is pretty much what I'm wearing. And yeah, let me know which outfit was your favorite one. Like seriously, what are you wearing in quarantine? Let me know in the comments because I'm super curious. Are you wearing like super fancy clothes, or are you just wearing what makes you feel happy? Tell me about it, because this, comments, it makes me, close to you guys. Another way to be close is on Instagram. You can DM me there and I can respond like right away. Alright guys, so for more spring outfits, please click here and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive notifications every time that I post a video.